Well, I made probably 2 or 3 trips back to the dam site with some broken concrete, and I blew a hydraulic hose. I don't know if you guys can see it dripping right there. So yeah, now I got to go back to the farm, get some tools so we can get that torn apart and get it fixed. So, luckily, I had a adjustable wrench in my truck. So, God, the mosquitoes are terrible right here. We'll get this thing off, get it to the dealer, and get a new hose made up for us. Come on, you little turd. Get off of there. There we go. Hydraulic oil on your hands. That's why you carry rags in your truck. This, garbage. Okay, I've got the new part now. Now we need to put it on so we can get going again. But obviously, the hydraulics have settled a little bit, so it makes it a little tougher to get in there, but I think we'll manage just fine. This was a $20 fix, providing I get the stupid thing on there to start. Mosquitoes are terrible here. And the oil, I hate doing this. I hate working on hydraulic because the oil gets on your skin and it just sticks there. It's hard to wash it off. It just like absorbs into it. It does create soft hands though. Now we need to tighten the bottom one up. Got this made down at the local John Deere dealer by us. They take good care of us. I'm pretty pleased with everybody there. Alrighty, that is how you do it. Oop, helps if I don't loosen it back off and tighten it. Now we are good to go, and we'll continue on making the dam.